The 2025 Toyota ProAce is here, bringing a blend of practicality, efficiency, and modern technology. Designed for businesses and families alike, this van offers a spacious interior, reliable performance, and the latest safety features. Toyota has refined the ProAce to meet the needs of professionals who require versatility and durability in their daily drives. Under the hood, the 2025 ProAce comes with multiple powertrain options, including fuel-efficient diesel engines and an all-electric variant for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint. The electric model offers impressive range, fast charging capabilities, and smooth acceleration, making it a great choice for urban deliveries or long commutes. Step inside, and you'll find a well-designed cabin with premium materials and smart storage solutions. The driver's seat is ergonomically designed for long hours on the road, with an intuitive infotainment system that includes smartphone connectivity, navigation, and voice commands. Toyota has also integrated advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensuring safety and confidence behind the wheel. Cargo space is one of the ProAce's biggest strengths. It offers a variety of configurations, including panel van, crew cab, and passenger versions, catering to different needs. With a large loading area, easy access sliding doors, and a low floor height, loading and unloading cargo is effortless. The ProAce's payload capacity is impressive, making it a dependable workhorse for businesses. On the road, the ProAce delivers a smooth and stable ride, thanks to its refined suspension and precise steering. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this van feels controlled and responsive. The electric version is especially quiet, adding to the comfort of daily driving. With its combination of efficiency, versatility, and Toyota's reputation for reliability, the 2025 ProAce is a strong contender in the commercial van segment. Whether you need it for work, transport, or a mix of both, this van is designed to get the job done with ease. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest car models here at Car Culture State.